If you ever play any more Quick Flash games, they ask me for potato jokes, I am totally hit. Hello, right?
Hello.
That's nice. Is there an options menu?
And options menu? Oh. Oh, okay.
We can do that, I think. And then it crashes.
No. Steve, so this time I'm going to see if they're doing
Let's turn down the music here.
Oh,
Because apparently they decided that there's no point in putting volume control or anything.
a human resource machine.
Who's a human resource machine?
Oh, hi, Stoker.
Hello!
This is one of the games that's made by the guy who made World of Goo, if you know that game.
I do know World of Goo, not personally.
Nope.
But I'm trying to get things to just open up here.
Let me go live with that again.
Ah, that's why I can't see.
Yeah, it crashed for some reason.
Alright, so we have this gentleman on the left with the Tim Burton eyes.
Yes, that's one of the things that he does. Is make Tim Burton-eyed people.
Well, you know, it happens.
The name of the other game that he made was called Little Inferno. Also has Tim
I think
Burton.
I've heard of that.
Oh, I saw that. That one was fun.
Okay. Drag commands into this area to build a program. Your program should tell your worker to grab each thing from the inbox and drop it into the outbox. Okay. Inbox. Outbox. Management expected a total of 3 items, not 1.
Oh, you need to do inbox, outbox, inbox, outbox, inbox, outbox, I'm guessing?
Okay, we're learning.
Incredibly specific.
Oh, this is a programming game. I get to learn programming.
So I guess you can say that you're, gonna get with the program.
Yes.
As a web developer, this is just identical to my job. You're getting the full experience here.
I barely passed.
On from the mailroom to the busy mailroom.
Year 2. So was that a year in your life that we just saw?
Yes.
Ugh. Time passes so quickly.
In my life too. No.
Alright, TJ, inbox, outbox management. Here's your new assignment. Grab each thing from the inbox and drop each one into the outbox. You got a new command. You can drag jump arrow to jump different lines within your program. With this new ability, you can complete this assignment using only 3 total commands.
Ah, you've learned go to.
I had to walk faster. Okay.
What? Uh-oh, I'm getting
The
lost.
copy
I gotta-
floor.
Deferred year already? Ooh.
Oh no! The inbox conveyor system is completely broken. That doesn't mean we get to take a break from work. Ignore the inbox for now and just send the following 3 letters to the outbox. B-U-G. Facilities management staff has placed some items over there on the carpet for you. Only there were a way you could pick them up.
If only.
Okay, so copy from 4 to outbox.
Oh, I see how this works.
Copy from 0 to outbox. Copy from 3 to outbox.
Basically, you put the commands on the right-hand side what to tell him to do.
Yes.
Ah. I don't know why I didn't see it soon.
Scramble handler. Conveyor system is fixed. Just in time for you to get to work. The data won't collate itself.
If only it would, though.
Grab the first 2 things from the inbox and drop them into the outbox in the reverse order. Repeat until the inbox is empty.
But I thought data was infinite.
Okay, take from inbox. Copy to 0. Then take from the inbox and copy to 1. Then we copy from. No, that's not necessary. You don't even need to do that.
You can clear.
Just take from the inbox second one and put that into the outbox. Then you copy from 0 again. Put it into the outbox. And repeat.
Excuse me.
The Scrambler handler.
Yes, Apollo.
And now it's coffee time.
Digging this coffee time music.
It's coffee time music. It's always good. Oh, I'm starting to feel like I have a familiar jingle here now. Something from Final Fantasy 3, like the in music.
Okay. Coffee.
I don't need coffee.
Back to work, everyone.
Regions of the city continue to
It's gonna have some horrible plot line to it, isn't it?
Oh no, not plot!
We have too much plot as it is in this day and age.
Welcome to my personal rain cloud. I was never very good at math, since I have only 3 fingers on each hand. Here you don't actually need to know very much about math to complete these assignments. For each 2 things in the inbox, add them together and put the result in the outbox.
Why has God
Okay, so
programmed me
inbox.
with 3 fingers?
Copy to 0. Grab another from the inbox. Add to 0. Outbox. Repeat.
We need somewhere.
Okay, we have a choice here.
A choice.
This one has a dead end.
So we've got the choice between what is it? The tripler room and the zero. Right. And the zero
anyway.
exterminator.
I'm assuming this is extra credit, so we're
Wait,
doing
8
that.
years have gone by this quickly?
Apparently, he goes left. He's skipping.
Who are
a year.
you? This optional area is for high-performing employees only. Is that you? Well, you're late. 7 years late. For each thing in the inbox, triple it and outbox the result.
Apparently, I skipped 1 year and everything goes to hell.
Alright, inbox. Copy to 0. Oh. We're still carrying something after we copy it, yeah. So, don't need that. You add 0. Add 0. Outbox. And repeat. Yeah.
Nice.
Octoplier suite. Yes, you can always check your own performance on each assignment's optimization challenges. 2 green lights next to each button in the elevator will tell you how you're doing. Is there anything in life more thrilling than self-improvement?
Well, I mean...
I have self-improved to the point I'm a god.
Multiplied by 8.
Alright, take from inbox. Copy to 0.
Well, to be fair, RPGs are kind of like that to begin with.
That's true.
Retweeting the game.
Okay, that doubles it, quadruples it. Actually, you don't even need to do that. There you go. If there were a way to escape jump, I could do this even more efficiently, but there isn't yet.
Yeah, I'm sure they'll give you 4 2 loops later on. Employee morale insertion.
Tetracontiplier.
After the maximization.
Already been in this business for 12 years. What a wonderful feeling. And all your work over the last few years all comes together and culminates in a well-executed assignment. For each thing in the inbox, multiply it by 40 and put the results into the outbox.
Yeah.
14 or fewer commands, 56 or fewer steps. copy to 0. Add 0 to double. Quadruples. Okay, then that octuples.
Like Dr. Octopoulos.
So that's at 8 times 16. Does that get to 40? Maybe. I don't know math.
So,
I do know math, I'm just lazy when it comes to games. Let's try it.
I mean, they're games. You don't want to think. Don't want to be tricked into doing homework.
Oh, that's too many. Oh, 160.
so I have an idea.
Go on.
So if you double it 5 times, that'll give you 32. But what you'd want to do is, after you've doubled it 3 times, it'll be 8.
Oh, that's true.
So you'd want to
But also copy it to
copy
1.
that to a different. You need to copy it more times.
Have to do math.
Yeah, kind of hard to avoid it with this game, it seems.
There you
Yeah,
go.
but that uses 15 instead of 14.
I was trying to, I had it in my head, but I didn't know how you were multiplying the boxes. That's what I was trying to figure out.
I think there's a copy you don't need to do. Like,
Okay, yeah, I'm doing something inefficiently here. I can't figure out which one it is.
Yeah, I admit I'm not super sure what's going on here.
You're doing assembly code.
I never did assembly code.
The boxes on the floor are random access memory.
Oh, I gotcha. Now I just gotta. Ooh. But the. Inbox, I'll copy from copy to though. Ooh.
You don't need 2 copy 2s in the same spot? I need to copy to 0 here, so that when I add 0, it's more. I need to copy to 1 so I can add 1 later. And I copy to add 0, so I can double it again. And every time I do it, copy 2. That makes me need to add from 0 is because I need to using the 0 address in order to do my doubling. Copy to 0. Add 0 to double it. Copy to 0, add 0 to double it. Copy to 0, add 0 to double it.
Oh, okay. It's just
Copy to 0. Add 0 to double it.
so after, after if you take out the copy to 1, and after that just have 4 add zeros, because at that point, what's on the floor and what's in your hand are both 8 times what it originally was. And so if you add it 4 more times, you're at 5 times what it was. And 5 times 8 is 40.
Oh, no way.
We didn't need to use a second.
0. I know, that's... I think you can just do that.
There you go.
This music is like kind of chill, and I'm kind of vibing on it.
I saved 4 bits and 2 milliseconds of computing power. Where do you see yourself in 5 years or 10 years? I have a note here from your other boss that says, from this point on, your performance will be evaluated with extra scrutiny. What a treat.
Now we're getting some Oracle vibes.
We have jump if 0. Send all things that are not 0 to the outbox.
It jumps only if the value or holding is 0, otherwise it continues to the next line.
So, take from the inbox. If it's 0, we'll jump somewhere. Otherwise, go to the outbox. And then jump back. Now, it's 0. Sure, there's a way to do that more efficiently, but let's see what happens. Expected 7, but you box a C. Why is management expecting a 7?
Okay, play that again, but not sped up.
Okay, 7. Inbox. 7. Why does he do that? Outbox jump. Jump if. Oh, I have 2 inboxes here.
I don't think you needed that last
Probably
jump.
not. You can do this in 4 or fewer commands. So, yeah, so we don't need an extra jump.
Yeah, I think I did it.
Too many steps.
Inbox, jump to 0. Just get the outbox. I think that'll save the steps right there.
Yeah.
Yeah, there you go.
Yeah, as you can probably tell already, I am not a programmer, so I don't know all the shortcuts.
Well, that makes 2 of us.
I still think it's funny. I took computer programming back in high school, and I have no idea what we're doing.
The
Wow.
Zero advocacy community felt the previous assignment was not inclusive. This time send only zeros to the outbox. What happens to the other numbers and letters? Management leaves that detail up to you.
To be fair, I did web design though, so and I had learn a lot of commands.
Oh. Inbox, outbox. It's 0. weird if it's...
Blaze says you're doing pretty well for somebody who hasn't taken an assembly course, let alone programming at all.
I've done some programming games. I've dabbled around in like HTML and things, and RPG Maker, and I've tried using a game maker a couple of times.
Yeah, I think if you put a regular jump in the middle of that, it points to the front of the inbox. And then another one after the outbox.
Seems like too much. 5 or fewer commands. It's 5, okay. That's 28 steps.
Damn it. Okay.
But I'm starting to catch on to what the jumps are.
They're the go-to in the command list. I have a feeling this can be rearranged in a much better way.
You know, talking about programming this game, or even looking at the code for programming this game, must have been incredibly confusing, because you're talking about programming, and talking about how to program a game that's talking about programming, and you may not be using the same programming languages for both, you know? This could what I'm saying is this very easily has the makings of a who's on first situation.
I don't know, I think this is the sort of thing that programmers love to do.
Well, that's because they're strange. Controversial statement. Programmers are strange human beings with Tim Burton eyes.
Blazing Pelt, you think this must look bad? I want to see the code for Baba is you.
That must be absurd.
Oh god, I need to get back to Baba Is You. I didn't have a copy of it for a while. I played it on a friend's Switch, and then I played it on another friend's Switch at a different place. And I got pretty far the second time, even though I had to frequently take breaks to reduce my headache. I really need to get back into it and see how far I can get. It's one of those games that you keep expecting it to end, and it just keeps going.
Inbox. F0 jump here. Outbox jump back. Inbox. Jump back.
What if...
How do you get rid of the D?
We have all
Okay, what
the
if you put...
instructions that we need, because it's 5 instructions. But there's a way to skip a step. Blazing Pelt should note, not every puzzle has the same solution for both efficiency tests. Well, that's nice.
Okay, what if you do it in this order?
What?
First, you have the outbox.
Yeah, I don't think that'll work. What happens if I do outbox first? Yeah, I can't do it in devalue.
Well, that's dumb.
It's computers. I'm sure it makes sense to the computer.
And I noticed if the escalator puts in different numbers of letters, are going to fail or not fail. Okay. See, I'm looking at this, and I think you already have the solution, but I don't know how to get rid of the F. Or the purple box on the M box.
Okay, let's try. Take all this out. Let's try outbox first. But we need to skip the first step.
So, starting with a jump there. Then having wanted to go all the way back to the start. Oh. Ooh.
Dang, I thought I had to stick it out.
That's weird.
Yeah.
I was gonna say the original idea you used on the last puzzle would have worked. I thought I had it figured out.
Subtraction? Never learned that in school. Did you? We're a good team. For each two things in the inbox, first subtract the first from the second and put the result in the outbox, and then subtract the second from the first and put the result in the outbox. Repeat.
First, second, first.
Apollo, you're too far away.
Scared to say, but I feel like I'm starting to understand this game. I feel.
Copy 2. 0. Inbox. Subtract the first from the second. Subtract subtracts whatever I'm holding from whatever value I'm holding.
I guess we're going to have two subtract commands in here.
I feel like I'm going to be doing this very inefficiently. First, copy from 0. Sub 1. Outbox. Copy from 1. Sub 0. Outbox. Beginning.
Very.
Did I do something wrong here?
Yeah.
You got two
Instead-
boxes, I think.
Instead of the copy to and copy from, I think you just need to subs there. Sub 0.
First, subtract the first from the second. Did I do this backwards?
Yeah, so for the copy to 1, copy from 1, it should be a sub 0.
And then I guess you go sub 1 after that.
Holy shit, my mind's blown.
Holy shit, my mind's blown.
I'm actually understanding this.
I'm actually understanding this.
Right.
Huzzah.
Equalization room. Sometimes, some numbers are bigger than other numbers. And sometimes, they are the same. How can we know? I write about that here in this great book, Which Number Are You for the Aspirational Zero? You can borrow it later. You got comments. You can use them to mark sections of your program. Okay, two things in the inbox. If they are equal, put one of them in the outbox. Discard non-equal pairs.
So I think that, yeah, the gist of what you want to do is
You only need to put one of them in the outbox. Subtract 0. And then if it is 0, put it in the outbox. Otherwise, repeat. If we
do that same shenanigans from
Does that work? Oh, I need to put the 7 in. Okay. So if 0,
oh yeah, okay.
you copy from
Copy from 1.
0 again. Okay.
Ah.
Orange or
Orange or
yes.
Yes.
Maximization.
Maximization room.
Did that say sabbatical beach paradise?
There's been a change of plans.
There's been a change of plans.
Oh, sorry.
Oh, sorry,
Has been
Rick.
a change plan. The accounting department has determined that treating all numbers equally is no longer profitable. Management wants the big numbers only. Grab 2 things from the inbox and put only the bigger of the 2 in the outbox. If they are equal, just pick either one. Repeat. Got a new command. Jumps only if the thing you're holding is negative, less than 0. Otherwise, continues to the next line. Okay, so I need to determine which of the 2 numbers I pick is bigger. How do we do that? Take from inbox, copy to 0. Take from inbox, copy to 1.
Then you could subtract it from, yeah, then have the jump as negative, and then
I have to put the bigger of the 2, so then I might delete one of these later, but if I have 1, I subtract 0. If the result is negative, then the one that I had is the bigger one. So if negative, that goes to the outbox.
no, if negative, you're subtracting what's on the floor from what you have. So what's on the floor would be the bigger one.
That's true. Okay, so that's copy from 0. That technically works, right? Wait. Next step. 6, 7. Subtract. It's negative, so jump. Take that to outbox.
Oh god. So, oh my god, how do you do that?
Don't mind me, I'm just
Did I
studying
just
this
need to do
myself.
that? It seems like too many steps.
It does seem like too many steps.
I have 13 commands. Did it in 38 steps. I know there's a faster way to do this.
Sorry.
Okay. Jump. Because we don't need the extra outbox. We only need one instance of outbox. Jump if negative. Well, let's copy from 1. Then we don't need that. So jump if negative, copy from 1 and jump, or copy from 0 and jump. Okay, that brings us down to 11. But I still need to skip the outbox again.
Blaze and Pelt says bits of the jump
Yeah, that's
as
what
is.
I had first time through.
What if you get rid of that jump after the copy from 1?
Oh, then it'll copy from 0 immediately after. Now that I can reduce this, though. Blazing Pellet, you don't technically need to save the second number. Yeah, I thought that might be the case, but I don't know how to get it back because I'm carrying the number and I have to subtract it. I can't get it back again unless I save it. If I take it, second number from the inbox and immediately subtract 0. That doesn't help me.
What's the goal of this again?
I need to put the larger of the two numbers into the outbox.
Okay, but the thing is that maybe we're looking at this the wrong way, because if after doing the subtraction it's negative, we're assuming that the number that was on the floor is the larger number. But what happens if the first number we pick is -1 and the second number we pick is -2? Then it'll be negative, and we'll assume that the second one was the bigger number, but it's -2, which is smaller. So we can't just go off of after subtraction and being negative.
Jump with negative, which just added this puzzle just now, right?
This is basically done. It's just... I was trying to optimize it. Did I get those backwards? Technically that works. This time it was 12. I did slightly better. Employee morale insertion.
And that, ladies, is how I saved a bundle on my long-distance telephone service.
Oh, this is another Geico commercial.
Back to work, everyone.
No, that's car insurance. What am I thinking?
A massive army of machines has surrounded the city. The machines are not moving, and they are not communicating. Local authorities are investigating.
Uh-huh.
Exclusive lounge. Blazing Pelt said, "Read not saving the second number. Don't forget about add." Not sub. I mean, I guess that helps. That saves one square and one instruction. Speed challenge 33. Hooray. Can move the add command. Yeah, then you don't need that one. Okay. Exclusive lounge. I've always felt most comfortable with nice, cold, logical decisions. Emotional decisions are for the weak. Send a 0 to the outbox if they have the same sign, both positive or both negative. Send a 1 to the outbox if their signs are different. Okay. Inbox, copy to 0. Inbox. Uh-huh. Hmm. Testing.
I don't think we can hear you on Twitch.
Yeah, I can't hear anything either. That's weird. Wait, no, there it goes. No, that's just through my mic. That's okay. So let me reset the broadcast.
Okay, I can hear Twitch perfectly fine now.
I can still hear everything. Including this music, which still is giving me, like, serious Hearts of Space vibes.
Okay.
Yeah, it's good now.
So this is the part of programming where I tend to get stuck, is having to trick the computer into doing something that it cannot do naturally.
I mean, isn't all of computer science just trying to trick a part of nature into doing something that it doesn't do naturally?
This is true.
Man against nature. Huzzah.
Round 1. Fight!
And then the day
The
comes.
only thing I know is I have the jump if negative. So if it's negative, copy. Do I need to even use a copy? Jump if negative. Inbox. And it'd be the same if they're both positive.
I'll be right back for a second.
I'm just going to do this the very inefficient way. Take from inbox, copy to 0. Take from inbox, copy to 1. And then... How do you test? Well, let me ask. How many? 12 commands. Wow, okay. Because I can think of a way to brute force this, but it'd be very annoyingly complex. Engineer Soul says, little spaghetti code has never hurt anyone. It'll hurt me because I need to keep all this in my head if I want to avoid actually writing things down on a piece of paper. You can't see the paper.
What's the name of this game again?
Human resource management.
Human resource management. This is not what I would have expected from a game called Human Resource Management. Making a note of this title. I may look into it. I get the feeling this is the kind of game that I will only truly understand from playing it.
Rick, how about first just trying to be like, if they're both negative and have the code for that. Just build it up slowly for each of the cases.
Okay. And copy to inbox. Copy to 1. I don't really need to copy to 1. So, if it's negative, copy from 0 again. If it's negative, copy from 0 again. And then if that is negative, then we copy from 4 and put that in the outbox. So that's if both of them are negative.
Wait.
And yes, this will keep going. It doesn't actually work for anything else. And it doesn't actually work at all.
So, what you could do is... Okay, so if you... I don't have this done, I'm working through it. So if you do, like, inbox, and then immediately jump if negative, and just have the jump if negative right after that, and another inbox, and then another jump if negative right after that.
Okay, jump if negative.
And have the endpoint right after it.
Okay, if negative, we go to inbox. If negative again, copy from 4 outbox.
So right here, what it looks like to me is if they're both negative, it'll copy the 0 and put it to the outbox, which is what you want.
Yes.
So this looks like a good starting point to build off of. So now if
we're doing
the
the
first
jump if
number
negative.
is negative,
If the first
if
number
first-
is positive,
well, no, before doing that, if the first number is negative but the second number is not negative, then you would copy the 5 and put that to the outbox. So that might be an easier thing to slot in right now. And then go to the outbox, and then jump to after the other outbox. Oh no, wait.
copy from 5. If negative, skip that. And I have to flip that around. And then copy
Yeah.
from 4, then outbox. Okay.
And just glancing at the side there, it doesn't look like they're giving you any zeros. The input
It
side.
doesn't look like it.
Okay, so this looks like you've
But
got.
I think 0 counts as positive anyway.
So it looks like you've got all the. If the first one is negative, then you've got both cases of the second one being positive or negative. So now.
Yes. If this is inbox, if this is not negative, then I want it to well, we know if it is negative because it'll go on to the next one. But if it's not negative, just immediately go into the next inbox. And if that one is negative, the first one is positive and that one is negative, then we jump right here and copy from 5 again.
Yes.
So that should work.
Except for that fourth case
I missed something.
where
Okay.
you need to, where if they're both positive.
Oh yeah. Okay. So if they're both positive, inbox, positive, inbox, if positive. If positive, I need another jump. Is it 0 if they have the same side? Yeah. Is that correct? No, that's not. I'm getting confused here. This is hard to keep track of.
At least you have arrows here.
Yeah.
Pointing you to where the jumps are going. Oh,
Well, he immediately ran to the inbox, so.
Okay. Inbox. Jump if negative.
oh yeah, that's not where that.
That's not where that should go.
That's not where that jump should be.
I think you got it.
Twelve commands. 31 steps. Yeah, it's obvious that this can be more efficient.
Yeah, there's two phases. There's getting just the logic of what you're trying to do, and then there's making it elegant.
Say it in that language.
What?
You say it in that language.
What's that?
Jump up there. Yeah, I know. Need to... jump the first command. Is that fewer steps? Almost.
Aww.
God.
Here. Okay, I think this can be rearranged a bit better. Because I do have jump here. But if I move it instead... I think I messed that up. Inbox. If negative. Up here, inbox. If negative. Jump here, copy from 4. Jump to the top. And then that doesn't make any sense. I almost certainly messed this up. No? Still 29 steps.
Damn it.
Oh yeah, that would make sense. So then, jump if negative here would go up there. $27, hooray!
Huh. I didn't know you could get lower than that.
Absolute positivity. Haha. Positive attitudes are determined to increase productivity. This will be backwards in the next one, won't it? Are now therefore mandatory. Smile. Management is watching.
You should totally put a comment there that says smile
Send
or a
each
smiley
thing
face.
from the inbox to the outbox, but if a number is negative, first remove its negative sign.
So,
I need to do an absolute value function with just these, okay?
so yeah, if it's there's the classroom child in me that used to try and shove my hand as high into the air as possible, screaming, pick me, pick me,
Okay,
trying to answer the question before you get a
so,
chance to even look at it.
assuming that it's negative first, take it from the inbox, and then you copy it to 0, and then you subtract 0 from it, and then you subtract 0 from it again. That's if it is negative. That'll bring it back. That first will bring it to 0, and the second will make it positive. So then, and then it goes to the outbox. We want to do this thing again. Still no idea why this saves steps, but okay. So that is if negative. 9 commands. 37 speed. So let's do this instead. Jump is negative. Don't need both of those. $34. Okay, that one was easy. Sabbatical Beach Paradise. It's still the coffee. No, it's the beach. Okay. Getting sand in my coffee. Engineer Soul says, I think my best is under 1/3 of the required steps. I'm certain. Yes, welcome back. Tick, tick, tick. Time keeps ticking down. Let's get to work. Oh, yes. I love what you've done with your hair. My character's getting balder. For each number in the inbox, send that number to the outbox followed by all numbers down to or up to 0. It's a countdown. You've got new commands. They add 1 or subtract 1 from an item on the floor. The result is given back to you, and for your convenience, it's also written right back to the floor. Bump.
Oh dear.
Okay. Each number in the inbox, send that number to the outbox, followed by all numbers down to or up to 0. So then we copy to 0. Yeah, that goes to outbox. And once you reach 0, go back to the beginning. You down to or up to 0. We're assuming this is positive first. Otherwise, go back, copy from 0 again, bump, yes, there is a robot hand on the floor. So are they using humans to do this if there are robots? This is the big question.
Well, you have to tell the robots what to do.
That's
Okay, so if the number from the inbox is negative, You still copy at 2, 0. But if it is negative, you still do the outbox. But if it is negative, you copy from 0, bump up, a box. No, you need to check if it's a 0 there. If it is 0, you jump to that outbox. I think this will work. Nope. You can't jump if negative with empty hands. Copy to 0 outbox. Okay, that's weird. Okay. I can't jump if I'm empty. That's weird. Huh. I guess you jump if negative. You have to jump first before you can. This just screws up everything. I need to start over. Yeah, I know null is not a number, but the jump function should work even if if the carrier doesn't have a number in it.
The jump function does. The jump if 0 or negative does.
Yeah, jump if negative, so it should not jump. But then it would never be negative. Okay. So I clearly got confused somewhere. Inbox. Copy to 0.
Yeah, this is the part of the game where I would probably start using comments a lot.
Copy to 0. Outbox. No, that's not gonna work. Copy to 0. Inbox. Jump if it is 0, just jump immediately to the outbox and go back to the inbox. negative. Two outbox. And outbox. Okay. Otherwise, copy to 0. Then, if it's negative, jump up here. Otherwise, so assuming we have a positive number, then it goes to outbox. Then we copy from 0, subtract, if it's negative, repeat. Unless it's 0. I use 16 commands.
Oof.
And 94 steps. I have the feeling this is going to become unmanageable if I don't keep up with the efficiency. Yeah, I know I've probably repeated way too many times here.
How many did it say you're supposed
10.
to use commands? 10. 2, 6, 14. Okay, that's
The bump does... The result is given back to you, and for your convenience is also written right back to the floor. But I have to put it immediately into the outbox, which erases it from the carrier. So I can't really do anything about that. But is that true? Put it right there. Yeah, it erases it from the carrier.
Wait. Oh, when you do the bump it. Okay, that... Okay, so I can get rid of that.
Yes, it's the same thing in both cases, except in one case it's bump plus, and in another case it's bump minus. Which makes it look like I need to write it twice, because unless I want to do a bunch of jumping around, but that would just increase the number of steps that I have to do. So the copy from doesn't do anything so long as there's a bump there? Okay. Oh, okay. So bump immediately implies copy from, okay. That got the speed to 79. You have one loop that
10
bumps plus or
commands.
minus depending on if you have a negative. Program is now on the clipboard. Try pasting it to other rooms or emails or notepad or anywhere. Okay.
You have to have at least one inbox, one outbox, one bump plus, one bump minus, one copy to. So that leaves 5 jumps.
Okay. Let's get rid of this. Copy 2-0. Jump up here. And outbox and if negative, there's a bump plus, and then jumps back. Otherwise,
I don't need all those.
bump minus, and jump back.
2.
I need to repeat if 0. Forgot that. Jump. Jump if negative. And I have to repeat the outbox, which I don't want to do. And if I say copy from 0, no, that doesn't make any sense. Zero. copy to 0. Then, if negative, jump down here. It's just repeating it. I can't do the jump if negative if I don't have a value. Copy it to 0. If negative, go down here to bump plus. With 0, we go to end. Otherwise, we jump up here. The only thing I can see is to put that there. I have an extra outbox there. Copy to 0. It just puts them back into 2 different categories again. That's all that happens. Take from inbox. If 0, jump to outbox. Otherwise, jump. Copy to 0. If negative, jump. See, I just duplicated the thing right here. I have one loop for positive, one loop for negative, but I should be able to do it for both. Negative, jump down here. No. That should come after then. If negative. Okay. If negative, jump down here. Up. And jump back up there. If 0. All the way back down. I can remove that. But then I have the same problem again. I have the outbox before the jump.
Okay, I think I've got it. This is dumb. So I think I did it in a way that doesn't need jump if zeros, so that saves some of it. I've been thinking about this too long.
I need to stop at 0, so I would need to jump at 0. Don't I?
Oh, gosh.
Try this. If you do inbox first, and then copy to 0, and then you jump. You'll have to do this.
If negative. So it'd be easier if I didn't have to outbox the first number. Because I need to test the number before I can jump. Okay, I do have a different tab.
Okay. Yeah, if you inbox, copy to 0, put a jump in that goes down, and inside that jump, have an outbox and a bump plus. And then have a jump if negative that goes right in front of the that's outside of the jump loop that goes above the outbox.
Like that?
put the jump part at the very bottom. Where it's jumping to the jump. Yeah. And then another outbox. And a bump down.
Jump here. If negative, jump here to outbox, bump plus, negative outbox, bump plus, negative outbox, bump plus, do-do-do-do-do-do-do, until it's 0, at which point it will no longer be negative. So it goes to outbox. Okay. But we still do need a jump of 0 to go back to inbox,
And then-
don't we?
And then after that jump negative, or after that bump down, put a jump if negative that goes all the way back up to the beginning. And then put another jump that goes right in front of the second outbox.
Huh. Okay. Yeah, because it does a bump and then it checks, and if it's negative, it's already past 0, so it doesn't go to the outbox anyway. Is this up?
Yeah, it's sometimes when you're doing things, you finally come to the solution, and then you forget your entire process that you just had in your head 5 seconds ago.
Trial and error, guys. That's how it works.
83 steps.
One
You
step
can
up.
save 1 step. You can save 1 step. Okay.
I think I'm all out of brain juice for the night.
Me too. Let me see if I
It's,
can save 1 more
midnight.
step, and then it's probably done for tonight.
It was a nice try, guys.
Alright. Hi.
I'm still here too.
Poker, I just there learned.
I have never left. I've just been completely silent for like 90% of the stream.
Yeah, me too. We're in the
Sorry,
discussion.
this is a fascinating game, but there's probably not very much to comment on
Oh, it
unless
is. It
you
is.
can actually
is.
follow
It is.
along.
It's random numbers.
Blazing
and
Pill
commands like
said,
this
"Didn't
has
I
always
already
been
get
a
the
test.
second one? Did I? Does it count?" Okay, I
Yes.
guess it counts, so we don't need to do anymore. Okay.
Oh, well then.
Oh, that's
I just find it amusing. I at least got one puzzle, at least, just one.
that one person said that, like, sometimes you can't get both.
What is a
solutions
thrilling
for one
sequel?
aren't the same.
Thrilling sequel to Human Resource Machine, 7 billion
7
humans.
billion humans.
Automate swarms of office workers to solve puzzles inside your very own parallel computer made of people.
Well then.
Alright.
That looks
Tell me more. Tell me
significantly
later. Go away forever.
more complicated. That just
It
takes
sounds
me
like
to the
tower defense.
web page.
But with random numbers.
Go away forever.
I like the kind of screamy sound effect.
Anyway,
Everybody's
it's midnight,
dead
and
at
I've
the
been
end.
thinking
Oh wow. that's
too much about programming, which means it's probably going to haunt my dreams if I don't stop right now.
Huh?
As if you can stop it now.
Yeah.
Too many jumps. Too many jumps.
How many
Well,
loops? How many loops?
a very unique session, I must say.
Good night, everyone.
Good night, everyone. Thank you for coming and listening to the soothing music and the sound of brains frying.
I think my hair's on fire.
That just happens sometimes.
It was fun. It was fun.
See y'all next time.
Yes. Good
whenever
night,
that happens to be.
everybody. I will see you for whatever I decide to do next time.
And I hope
Maybe
you-
more of this. Maybe something else. We'll see. Good night.
No. And I hope you learned a valuable lesson tonight.
Yes.
Watch out for programming.
I learned nothing.
That happens.